Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I will discuss with you the multiplication property of Laplace transform. Suppose Laplace transform of f of t equal to f of s. Then Laplace transform of t into f of t equal to minus time f of s. In this video I will prove this theorem, that how it is equal to this. First of all, the Laplace transform of f of s equal to Laplace transform of f of t equal to f of s, and its formula is from 0 to infinity e power minus st into f of t dt. Now to find t, we will differentiate Laplace transform of f of t with respect to s. So it become d by ds of f of s, which is equal to d by ds of 0 to infinity e power minus st into f of t dt. So this become f dash of s, and now when we take derivative of e power minus st with respect to s, then it become 0 to infinity minus t into e power minus st into f of t dt. Now take t common from this, so it become minus into 0 to infinity e power minus st into t f of t dt. Now multiply both sides with minus, so minus f prime of s equal to Laplace transform of t f of t. This is our required proof that Laplace of t f of t equal to minus time f prime of s. Now I am going to prove its next part. What will be the Laplace transform of t square into f of t? So it become equal to minus 1 to the power 2 f double dash of s. Now to find this, we will take this part. We have already calculated up to this region. Then d by ds of f dash of s will be equal to minus time d by ds of 0 to infinity e power minus st into t f of t dt. Now to take again its derivative, then it become minus into 0 to infinity e power minus st into minus t, and 1t is previous, multiplied by f of t dt. Minus with minus 2 minus, so minus 1 to the power 2 0 to infinity e power minus st into t square f of t dt. So f double dash of s equal to minus 1 square 0 to infinity e power minus st t square into f of t dt. From this minus 1 square into Laplace transform of t square into f of t. So f double dash of s equal to this, but we are interested in Laplace transform of t square into f of t, which is equal to minus 1 square into f double dash of s. This is our second part. To generalize this equation, then Laplace transform of t power n f of t will be equal to minus 1 to the power n f of n s. This is the generalized form of multiplication with t property. Now I am going to solve some question. Example number 1. What will be the Laplace transform of t into e power minus t? From the result of multiplication with t property, first of all we will find Laplace transform of f of t. Laplace transform of f of t, which is equal to e power minus t. What is the Laplace transform of e power minus t? We have already proved a lot of theorem through this, which is equal to 1 divided by s plus 1. It is just Laplace transform of f of t, but here we have also t in multiplication, so we will apply the multiplication with t property, which is equal to Laplace transform of t f of t equal to minus time f dash of s. So in next step we will take its derivative. Laplace transform of t e power minus t equal to d by ds of f of s. What is f of s? Which is equal to 1 divided by s plus 1. Now to take its derivative, then it equal to minus 1 time s plus 1 to the power minus 2, minus 1 divided by s plus 1 square. This is the Laplace transform of t e power minus t. Now to take another example. Through Laplace transform, what will be the Laplace transform of t sine of t? We already familiar that Laplace transform of sine t equal to k divided by s square plus k square, but here k equal to 1, so Laplace transform of sine t equal to s square plus 1. Now there is multiplication, there is a t in multiplication, so Laplace transform of t into sine of t will be equal to d by ds of 1 divided by s square plus 1. Take its derivative, then it become s square plus 1 to the power minus 2 into d by ds of s square plus 1. When we take its derivative, then it become equal to 2s, and here minus is in multiplication, so minus 2s divided by s square plus 1 to the power 2. This is our required answer. In today's lecture, I discussed what is the multiplication property in Laplace transform, I take Laplace transform of t f of t, which is equal to minus f of s. Then Laplace transform of t square into f of t, which is equal to minus 1 square multiplied by f double dash of s, and I generalize it. What will be the Laplace transform of t power n f of t, which is equal to minus 1 power n multiplied by f n s, which is the derivative of in a time of f of s. Then I take two examples. One is Laplace transform of t e power minus t, and then another example Laplace transform of t into sine of t. Thanks for hearing and watching my videos. If my video is helpful for you, then please like and subscribe my channel for upcoming lectures through Laplace transform and higher mathematics. And don't forget sharing and like my videos. Thanks.